As the nation prepares for the celebration of Teachers' Day on 5th September, one unusual incident came to light from Dongmukak Rasinja English LP School a day before the celebration of Teachers' Day, where some unidentified miscreant broke inside the school building and vandalized all the materials. On 4th of September, some unidentified miscreants invaded the classrooms and offices of Dongmukak Rasinja English LP School, falling under Samilangso Education Block, and had vandalized all the materials and torn all important documents of the school. It was reported that this news came to the knowledge when they went to accomplish the preparation for Teachers' Day celebration at the school. And by the time they reached the school, the condition of the office and classrooms were left devastated. Deboram Terang, headmaster of the school, Sonsing Kathar, president SMC of Dongmukak Rasinja English LP School, along with local residents, expressed their displeasure over this incident.
Ama anarlo bara ek bajil mapor iskulong usumar tumbang mo ang bima pu paso nangchilang mo usumar da mala sorak henu si thekang lo inghap ke theng kona nama nasi along long lang lo.
Deboram Terang appeals those individuals, whoever is involved in this incident, to never repeat this kind of shameful act again in near future. Because education is very important. Without education, one cannot uplift the overall development in the village.
Penlap teacher day lo pu fan pini pen ke chisi ke chedang nai pusi baji hini osomar pen terence lo ni li baji sia por chewang poran make tada bangke tala theng elo buhi ka do we file ka do we ta hijik lor lo ke dam tang file anta che theklong le delo na make.
Sensing Ingti's report from Dongmukak, Karbianglong Live.